Good morning, all. Today, I will discuss the question answers of the chapter The Shoemaker. So, first, I will start with the first one. Tick the correct options. There was an air of dash around the shoemaker. It will be number D, anxiety. Next, the shoemaker was dash bright light. It will also be number D, uncomfortable in. So the first answer is there was an air of anxiety around the shoemaker, and the second answer is the shoemaker was uncomfortable in bright light. Third number, the shoemaker found it difficult to speak because the C number had been quiet for very long. Because he had been quiet for very long. Next, phone number. The shoemaker had never seen the mode of the shoe he was making because he had been in prison for a long time. Why? Because he had been in prison for a long time. So it will be number A. The phrase shut out the sight of him means C number, not wanting to see him in this state. Is the meaning of this phrase shut out the sight of him. So next go to the next part passage. Okay, so now I will discuss the main question answers. These are the short question answers. So now I will discuss the main question. Let me fix my copy. Okay, it's very okay, now it's done. So let's start. So first question is, I cannot say that I mean to. I suppose so. I don't know. Who is the speaker? Who is being spoken to? So shoemaker said the above lines to Deforge. So who is the speaker? Shoemaker is the speaker, and who is being spoken to? Deforge. So मैंने इसको इस दोनों को कन्वर्ज कर दिया है और लिखा है कि shoemaker said the above lines to Deforge. What is the topic of discussion? इस लाइन में क्या है? टॉपिक ऑफ डिस्कशन क्या है? मेन थिंग क्या है? द टॉपिक ऑफ डिस्कशन इज द शू विच ही हैज़ बिन स्टिचिंग. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में जाएंगे हम. Why does the speaker say I don't know? Why does the speaker say I don't know? The shoemaker said I don't know because he was uncertain and did not have clarity of thoughts. तो अब हम जाएंगे 2A. B2A means this question में हम जाएंगे. You are not a shoemaker by trade. Who asked this question and why? So who asked this question and why? Mr. Lorry asked the above questions to Mr. Lorry asked the above questions to get a reaction from the shoemaker and to make him remember his past life. Or you can write her past days also. Now our B number question. What was the answer? The shoemaker replied in the negative sense. He told that he was not a shoemaker by trade and learned all these things here with difficulties. C. How had the person been spoken to learn the trade? How had the person been spoken to learn the trade? He had learned the trade in prison. 3 number A. I have unquestionably seen for a single moment the face that I once knew so well. Who saw the face? The shoemaker. Dr. Manette saw the face. Okay, the shoemaker was Dr. Manette. Next is, whose face was it? It was the face of Mr. Lorry. Why could the speaker see it only for a single moment? The shoemaker could see it only for a single moment as he remembered Mr. Lorry's face for a small period of time. As he remembered Mr. Lorry's face for a small period of time. So let's go to our next C number. Describe the shoemaker in your own words. So यहाँ पर हमको shoemaker का physical appearance देना है. The shoemaker looked weak, withered and pale. He had a hollow face with exceedingly bright eyes and dark eyebrows. His beard was white, which was raggedly cut but not very long. तो हम जानते हैं कि उसका बियर्ड था जो बहुत कैसे कहे बहुत ऊंच नीच से कटा हुआ था, पर वो वैसा भी लॉन्ग नहीं था. Next is that the hollowness and thinness of his face have caused them to look large. His yellow rags of shirt was opened at the throat. His old canvas frock, loose stockings, here will be S, please make it sure that stockings, here will be one S, stockings, and all his poor tatters of cloths showed his body to be withered and old. So next question will go. What is the next question? List the words from paragraphs 1 and 2 that indicate that the shoemaker had been in captivity for many years. The shoemaker's body looked very withered and worn. So withered and worn is one word, and he had stayed in seclusion from direct light and air. So this will start from and he had stayed in seclusion. So he had stayed, here give invited, and he had stayed in seclusion from direct light and air. These words prove that the shoemaker had been in captivity for many years. Next question. How do we know that the old man's health and appearance had been neglected for a long time? How do we know? We know the shoemaker's health had been neglected for a long time because he wore ragged clothes, looked worn and withered, and he had become uncomfortable in direct light and air. Next question. Why was not the girl afraid of the shoemaker? The next question is that how did Deforge get the prisoner to speak? Deforge get the prisoner to speak by continuously evoking memories and getting his acquaintances to meet him. He constantly conversed with him so that he would react and remember his past days. Next question. Why was not the girl afraid of the shoemaker? तो यहाँ पर girl means the shoemaker's daughter was the girl, Lucy. क्यों वो afraid नहीं थे? क्योंकि the girl was not afraid of the shoemaker because she knew him from before and therefore knew that he was not harmful. Next and last question. What could be the relationship between the young lady and the shoemaker? Did he recognize her? The young lady was the shoemaker's daughter. The fact that the shoemaker did not react adversely on seeing her meant that he had recognized her but for a small period of time. So these are the question and answers of the chapter The Shoemaker, the main things. I think you all like the video, and please subscribe the channel and like, comment for more videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.